Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another package from AliExpress. It's another freaking PB. Watch the whole video to find out what I'm talking about. And as always, we're gonna use this knife to open the package. Let's do this again. Drums please. Right, so that's this is the freaking PB, freaking power bank. Another freaking power bank from AliExpress. 25,000 milliamp hours. So we're gonna place it there. It comes with a USB-C charger or USB-C cable, and the thickness of the cable is actually fine. It's a good thickness. It's not those thin USB cable you get sometimes when you buy electronics from AliExpress. Then I do have these two. And these two are pretty thick compared to this one. I hope you can see the thickness. Right. So these cables are 240 watts cables, so they can transfer 40 gigabytes of data, which also means they can transfer video. Besides transferring power, they can transfer audio and video. That's why they're so thick. So I got two of them. Alright, let's get back to the freaking power bank. If we move everything on the side. So there was actually a user manual for once, which is nice. Oh, cool. So user manual is Chinese, of course, but is also in English. Yeah, but we like discovering things on this channel, so let's just guess what does what. There's a button here. When I press it, the power bank goes on, and then you press it to turn off, probably. Yeah, yes, so you press it to turn the power bank on and off. I must say the fit and finish of this power bank is really good, and it's well built, and it's pretty I I never thought I was going to say power bank is pretty, but this power bank looks damn good. It does. This part here is kind of grippy. You have 2 screws here and 2 screws on this side. So 2 screws here. Let's hold it this way. 2 screws here, 2 screws, and then the amount of power you have in the power bank. And you can output max 210 watt. And on the other side you have 2 screws as well. And I like this touch here. It says you can travel with it. It says airline safe, so you can actually travel with this power bank. And you have some stuff written in the back, both in Chinese and English. And on the bottom you have, I don't know which material it is, but it's kind of creepy as well. It is not, it's plastic, it's hard plastic. And on the top you have two USB-C and it says in and output, so it means you can charge it, and you can charge it through these 2 USB, and you can output power through it as well. And this USB says output, so you can only output from the USB-A. The USB-C, you can output and input power from those 2. Let's do a small comparison. I have another power bank that I will grab. I have this power bank. This power bank is one of the first videos I did on this channel. It was to it's not the first video, but it's one of the first video of my channel where I reviewed this power bank, which claimed to be 60,000 milliamp hour, but it was more like 30,000 milliamp hour after testing it. So we're just gonna do a quick comparison. You can see this power bank is bigger, right, compared to this one, but it's shorter as well. And yeah, and this one has a handle. And of course this power bank have more USB ports, USB-A and 1 USB-C and 1 micro USB. But this one is like the future, right? Because you have less and less stuff. You'll be lucky if you've got something that uses micro USB, unless you buy it, of course, from AliExpress, because they're still making stuff with micro USB in China that they sell. But in general, most of the electronic you buy now use USB-C. So I'm gonna grab a phone and just plug it in. And see. Let's just use this new cable. Alright. Usually with power banks you don't need to turn it on. If you just plug something, it just turns on automatically. So which is the case here as well. I like the animation. You have this cool animation when something is plugged in, and I like the fact that you can see how much power is being drawn. So right now my phone is drawing. It has a 76% charge, but it was drawing 20% at 20 watt earlier. So now it's drawing 17 watts. But I like the fact that you can see how much power is being drawn. You can see the voltage, and you can see the resistance, 1.8 amp. Yeah, and I see here the power bank says it has 62% charge left. So 62% power left, and here 2 hours and 44 minutes. So probably if I'm gonna draw this much power, I can do that for 2 hours and 44 minutes. Total input, total output. Yeah, that's cool. And on my phone it says charging rapidly. Can unplug it and put it on this one. See what it says. It's also charging rapidly. It's charging fast. This is cool. Yeah, this is a cool little thing. The brand of the power bank is CUKTECH. Well, these Chinese names, I'm gonna put it here on the screen, and you read it any way you like. That's the brand name. CUKTECH or CUKTECH. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. Is it CUKTECH or CUKTECH? Sounds wrong, right? But anyway, that's the brand of the power bank. Yeah, this one is a nice one. It's a nice, cute power bank, and you can travel with it. Pretty nice. So this will be going in my carry-on case every time I'm traveling. Yeah. So what do you think about this power bank I got from AliExpress? Is it a boom or a bust? Honestly, I think this is a bust. This is a boom, not a bust. This is a boom. Yeah, it's a good power bank. Even though I haven't tested it more than what I just say now, and I don't know how long it's gonna last, but it seems like it's well built, and everything seems to work. And I like the screen and the animation you get when you're using the power bank. I'm pretty sure if you're charging it, it's gonna see, you have the same animation when you're charging it. It's pretty cool. Right. Price wise, I can I think I gave $100. Let's check it fast. I don't remember exactly how much I gave for power bank, but I can easily check it out here. $120. So $138. You can see here, $138 with the shipping. Yeah, it costs $120 on AliExpress, and shipping was $18.35. So $139 approximately. So it wasn't a cheap power bank, but it's a good one, as I can say. 25,000 milliamp hour. So if you have a smartphone that has 5,000 milliamp hour, so you can charge it 5 times. Yeah, cool. All right, guys, if you made it so far, or if you have been, thank you for watching and thanks for the support. Leave a video a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel, and remember to ring the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. On this channel, I do unboxing of tech I buy from AliExpress, unboxing and reviews. I will do a follow-up video how the power bank is holding, but yeah. Please do help the channel by engaging and sharing the videos, and if you have any thought, drop them in the comment below. Until next time, keep it real, and I will catch you in the next one.